Welcome back to another video. Today we will be repairing this Furby from the Mcdonald's 2001 Tiger Electronics set. The Furby has 3 triangular head screws in the back. Use this small triangle security bit. So I have not opened this one up previously, so this is my first time. So, looks like we have quite a bit of corrosion. Let's see if I could pop these batteries out. Okay, let's throw out the corroded batteries. And I don't know if you can see right there. There's a whole bunch of corrosion. It's supposed to be just a shiny piece of metal. So we'll clean that up. And to make sure that it stays clean and conductive, I'm going to drop some vinegar in here, which will get rid of all this battery corrosion. So I will be right back. Alright, so I am back. All I did was take a Q-tip and simply dip it in some white vinegar, and then just rub it around in there, and the vinegar cleaned up all of the leaked battery corrosion. Now we're just drying it up a little bit. It is looking new as ever. So this Furby uses 2 LR41 type batteries that you can find online. We're going to insert them. So I just simply tested it out by pushing down on the metal contact. Now we can put the rest of the Furby back together. So it looks like there's this small spring on his hat. So I assume that just simply goes on there like that. Now you can put the other half back on. Just like that. And then you can put your 3 screws back in the back. And now our Furby is working. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.